ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः. गीताभ्यासे 18-18 ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं परिज्ञाता प्लस 18-19 ज्ञानं कर्म च कर्ता च. ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं परिज्ञाता त्रिविधा कर्मचोदना. पदच्छेदे ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं परिज्ञाता त्रिविधा कर्मचोदना. करणं कर्म कर्तेति त्रिविधः कर्मसङ्ग्रहः. पदच्छेदे करणं कर्म कर्ता इति त्रिविधः कर्मसङ्ग्रहः. ज्ञानं कर्म च कर्ता च त्रिधैव गुणभेदतः. पदच्छेदे ज्ञानं कर्म च कर्ता च त्रिधा एव गुणभेदतः. प्रोच्यते गुणसङ्ख्याने यथावत् शृणुतान्यपि. पदच्छेदे प्रोच्यते गुणसङ्ख्याने यथावत् शृणु तानि अपि. अन्वयः कर्मचोदना ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं परिज्ञाता इति त्रिविधा भवति. कर्मसङ्ग्रहः करणं कर्म कर्ता इति त्रिविधा भवति. ज्ञानं कर्म च कर्ता च गुणभेदतः यथावत् त्रिधा एव गुणसङ्ख्याने प्रोच्यते तानि अपि शृणु. शब्दाभ्यासः. कर्मचोदना स्त्रीलिङ्गं प्रथम एकवचनं. कर्मणः चोदना कर्मचोदना. षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः. कर्मणः कर्मन् नपुंसकलिङ्गं षष्ठी एकवचनं. कर्म कृमनिन् action, work, deed, execution, performance. प्रीतोऽस्मि सोऽहं यद्भुक्तं वनं तैः कृतकर्मभिः. चोदना स्त्रीलिङ्गं प्रथम एकवचनं. चोदना sending, directing, throwing, urging or driving onward. Jnanam Jnayam, same shloka has been quoted. Prompting, inciting, encouraging, inspiration. Jnanam, jnana, नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथम एकवचनम. ज्ञानम ज्ञा भावे ल्युट. Knowing, understanding, becoming acquainted with, proficiency. सांख्यस्य योगस्य च ज्ञानम. Knowledge, learning. तथेन्द्रियाकुली भावे ज्ञेयं ज्ञानेन शुध्यते. बुद्धिज्ञानेन शुध्यते. ज्ञाने मौनं क्षमा शत्रौ. कॉन्शियसनेस, कॉग्निजेंस, नॉलेज. ज्ञानतो अज्ञानतो वापि. नोइंगली और अननोइंगली. कॉन्शियसली और अनकॉन्शियस. ज्ञेयं ज्ञेय विशेषणम्. अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं प्रथम एकवचनं. ज्ञेय पोटेंशियल पार्टिसिपल. ज्ञा कर्मणि यत्. टू बी इन्वेस्टिगेटेड और लर्न्ड और अंडरस्टूड. परिज्ञाता परिज्ञातृ विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथम एकवचनं. परि कॉम्प्रिहेन्सिव्ली ज्ञाता. 3 that is विशेषणं. ज्ञा प्लस तृच्. ज्ञानशीलः तत्पर्यायः. विदुरः बिन्दुः इति अमरः. विदितः 3:30. ओके. ज्ञानसमन्वितः इति शब्दरत्नावली. इति अव्ययम्. इति indeclinable. This particle is most generally used to report the very words spoken or supposed to be spoken by someone, as represented by quotation marks in English. The speech reported may be a single word used merely to express what the form of the word is, when it is used as it is. Shabdaswarupa Jyotakaha. कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम्. अतएव गवित्याह भर्तृ. Or a substantive which must be put in the nominative case when its meaning is to be indicated. प्रतिपदिकार्थ द्योतकः. दिलीपः इति राजेन्दुः. Sometimes with accusative. कैवर्तमिति यं प्राहुः. or whole sentence when iti is merely used at the end of that sentence. So there are various explanations of this word iti. I think the meaning which fits well here is it is often used to include under one head a number of separate objects grouped together. Like here, jnanam, jnayam, parijnata. They are grouped together. त्रिविधा कर्म चोदना. त्रिविध. त्रिविध विशेषणम. अत्र स्त्रीलिंगम प्रथम एकवचनम त्रिविधा. त्रिविध of three kinds, threefold. भवति भूधातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं. भू प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, रेर्लि आत्मनेपदी. भवति बभूव, अभूत्, भविष्यति, भवितुं, भूत्. टु बी, टु बिकम्. कथम एवं भवन्नेम, भवेन्नाम, अस्या किम अभवत्, what has become of her fate, what has become of her. यद् भावि तद् भवतु, come what may. So, दुःखितो भवति, रुष्टो भवति. To be born or produced, यदपत्यं भवेदस्यां, भाग्यक्रमेण बन्धनानि भवन्ति यान्ति. To spring or proceed from, arise, क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः. To happen, to take place, to occur. नाततायि विधे दोषो हन्तुर्भवति कश्चन. To live, to exist. अभूतभूतपूर्वः राजा चिन्तामणिर्नाम. कर्मसंग्रह. कर्मसंग्रह पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. कर्मणः संग्रमः कर्मसंग्रहः. षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः. संग्रहः. संग्रह पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. संग्रहः सीजिंग, ग्रास्पिंग, टेकिंग. प्रज्वाल्य तत्र चैवाग्नि अकरोत् पाणिसंग्रहम्. Clenching the fist, sangraha. Grasp, grip. Reception, admission. Guarding, protection. The meaning appropriate seems to be some amount, totality. Karanam karma karte tirtivedak karma sangraha. Same shloka has been quoted. So, totality. Karanam. Karana, napusakalingam prathama ekvachanam. Karana, adjective. Kru, lute. Making, doing, effecting, producing. Ratham nadasra karana samyanvatha. Karanaha, Vedic, an assistant. Yamasya karanaha, a man of mixed tribe. A writer, Jajne dhimam satastasyam yutsu karano nrupaha. Now here karanam, doing, performing, accomplishing, effecting, act, action, religious action, business, trade, an organ of sense. Then here, an instrument or means of an action. Na tasya karam karanam na vidyate. Karanancha pratagvidam. Here it is, 18-14, 18. Karma, karman, napusakalingam, prathama ekvachanam. Action, work, deed. I listed it here earlier. Execution, performance. Pritosmi soham yad bhuktam vanam tai krita karmabhi. Karta, kartru, doer, visheshanam. Atra pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Gunabhedatah. गुणभेद पुल्लिंगम पंचमी एकवचनम. गुणैः भेदः गुणभेदः. तृतीया तत्पुरुषः. गुणैः, गुण पुल्लिंगम तृतीया बहुवचनम. गुणः, गुण, अच, अ क्वालिटी, गुड और बैड. सुगुण, दुर्गुण, यदंगनारूप स्वरूपतायाः कश्चित् गुणं भेदकमिच्छति भी. भेदः, भेद पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. भेदः, भिद्, घय. Breaking, splitting, cleaving, hitting as a mark. Rending, tearing, dividing, separating. Disturbance, interruption, division, separation. A chasm, gap, fissure. भेदभेदयोर्भेदो गृहीतव्यः. डिस्टिंक्शन या डिफरेंस और डिस्टिंक्शन. तयोर्न भेद प्रतिपत्तिरस्ति मे. प्रतिपत्तिरस्ति. गुणभेदः क्वालिटेटिव क्लासिफिकेशन. त्रिधा अव्ययम इंडिक्लाइनेबल इन 3 ways or in 3 parts. एकैव मूर्तिर विभिदे तेधा सा. ज्ञानम कर्म च कर्ता च त्रिधैव गुणभेदतः. त्रिधा. 18. Same श्लोक has been quoted. एव अव्ययम ओनली. गुणसंख्याने. गुणसंख्यान नपुंसकलिंगम सप्तमी एकवचन. गुणानां संख्यानं गुणसंख्यानं. षष्ठी तत्पुरुषा. गुणसंख्यानं enumeration of the 3 essential qualities, a term applied to the Sankhya, including the yoga system or philosophy. Jnanam karma cha, same shloka has been quoted. Prochyate, pravach dhatuh karmani, lati prathama purusha ekvachanam. Pravach, dvitiya gani parasmapadi, to speak, say, address, to tell, relate, announce, to explain. Tani tat सर्वनाम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम. अपि अव्ययम also. यथावत् अव्ययम यथावत् indeclinable. Duly, properly, rightly, often with the force of an adjective. अध्यापिपद्गाधि सुतो यथावत्. लिपेर यथावत् ग्रहणेन. According to rule or precept, as enjoined by rules, tato yathavat vidhat dharaya. Exactly, truly, yathavat. Shrunu, shru dhato loti, madhyama purusha ekvachanam. Panchamganiya parasmapadi. Shrunoti, shrushrava, ashraushi, shroshyati, shrotum, shruto. To hear, listen to, give ear to. Shrunume savashyam vachaha. ऋतानि चाश्रोषत्व षट्पदानां. संदेशं मे तदनुजल श्रोषसि श्रोत्रपेयम्. टू लर्न टू स्टडी. 12 वर्षेभ्य व्याकरणं श्रूयते. टू बी अटेंटिव टू ओबे इति श्रूयते. इट इज सो हर्ड और दैट इज एंजॉइंड इन द स्क्रिप्चर्स. सच इज द सेक्रेड प्रिसेप्ट. अन्वय अर्थ ओवरऑल में कर्मचोदना ज्ञानम ज्ञेयम परिज्ञाता इति त्रिविधा भवति. नॉलेज, द नोएबल एंड द नोअर फॉर्म द थ्रीफोल्ड इम्पल्स टू एक्शन. कर्मचोदना इम्पल्स. कर्म संग्रह करणम कर्मकर्ता इति त्रिविधा भवति. द ऑर्गन, द एक्शन एंड द एजेंट फॉर्म द थ्रीफोल्ड रिपोजिटरीज ऑफ एक्शन. ज्ञानम कर्म च कर्ता गुणभेदतः त्रिधा एव गुणसंख्याने प्रोच्यते. तानि अपि यथावत् शृणु. The knowledge, the action and the agent are also qualitatively of 3 kinds, as is enumerated and detailed in the learned text. Let me quote. छंदो विश्लेषण. ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं परिज्ञाता. अष्टक्षाणि. परिज्ञा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे. त्रिविधा कर्मचोदना. अष्टक्षाणि. कर्मचोद एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. करणं कर्मकर्तेति. अष्टक्षाणि. कर्मकर्ते एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. त्रिविधः कर्मसंग्रहः. अष्टक्षाणि. कर्मसंग्रह. कर्मसंग्रह एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अस्मिन् 18 अध्याये 18 श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. ज्ञानं कर्म च कर्ता च. अष्टक्षाणि. च कर्ता एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. त्रिधैव गुणभेदतः. अष्टक्षाणि. णभेद एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. प्रोच्यते गुणसंख्याने. अष्टक्षाणि. णसंख्या एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. यथावत् शृणुतान्यपि. अष्टक्षाणि. णुतान्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अस्मिन् 18 अध्याये 19तमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्यायः notes of self-study. If there is to be a glossary of Gita, the 8 words in 18-18 have to be there. Jnanam, Jneyam, Parijnata, Karma Chodana, and Karanam, Karma Karta, Karma Sangraha. In one shot, 8 different words of glossary. One can see a triad in most actions. Jnanam, Jneyam, Parijnata. Knowledge, the knowable and the knower. Karanam, Karma Karta. The organ, the action and the agent. Drushti, Drushyam, Drashta. Eyesight, seeing, seer. Shruti, Shabdaha, Shrota. Ear, sound, listener. Bhojanam, Bhojyam, Bhokta. Eating, what is to be eaten, one who eats. Rather, consumption, what is to be consumed, the consumer. The triad, Jnanam, Jneyam, Parijnata, knowledge, the knowable and the knower, is stated to be the Trividha Karma Chodana, threefold prompts or motivations for karma. I am left wondering whether Jnanam, Jneyam, Parijnata are always the 3 prompts, are the only 3 prompts for karma. As a works manager in a manufacturing unit, I was always intrigued by the same question of Karma Chodana, motivation for karma. The lion goes hunting for his prey when hungry. Is hunger the prompt, the Jnanam prompt? A software engineer may rather burn the night oil to meet the target, lest he would get the pink slip. Is the fear of the pink slip the prompt, the Jnanam prompt? Can hunger, fear be considered as Jnanam type prompts? They certainly are not Jneyam type or Parijnata type prompts. What should be the examples of Jneyam type and Parijnata type prompts? Thomas Alva Edison kept pursuing the Jneyam, how to make a light bulb. For spiritual seekers, the Jneyam is the knowledge of the Supreme. Do they also become an example of Parijnata type prompt? I have been looking for convincing examples that Jnanam, Jneyam, Parijnata are always the 3 prompts, are only the 3 prompts for karma to happen. My experience has been that there are some people who are self-motivated. There are others with whom no motivational scheme works. Comes to mind a Subhashitam in Niti Shatakam by Bhartruhari. Prarabhyatena khalu vignabhayena nichaihi prarabhya vigna vihata viramanti madhyaha vignaih punah punarapi pratihanyamana prarabhya chontamajana na parityajanti. The meaning of the Subhashitam is thinking of difficulties. Vignabhayena. Lowly, nichai, lowly ones, do not undertake any task. Prarabhyatena khalu. The mediocres, madhyaha, give up, viramanti, when faced by difficulties. Vigna vihataha, prarabhya. The best, uttamajanaha, never give up, na parityajanti. Even when facing difficulties, again and again. Vignaihi punaha punaha api pratihanyamanaha. Another word synonymous with karma chodana is pravrutti. Antonym of pravrutti is nivrutti. See, pravrittincha nivrittincha janana vidurasuraha 16-7. Devilish persons do not follow any discretion between indulgence, pravritti, and desistance, nivritti. Are there the same 3 prompts, Jnanam, Jneyam, Parijnata, knowledge, the knowable and the knower, in whatever karma the devilish persons also do? I am wondering whether there can be a practical validation of the statement Karma Sangraha, Karanam Karma Karta iti Trividha bhavati. The organ, the action and the agent form the threefold repositories of action. If I cut an onion with a knife, the effect of that karma is there on the onion that it is now cut. There is some effect on the knife, the karanam, that there will be some smell of the onion on the knife. But how do I, karta, become a repository, karma sangraha, of that karma? In a verse, Runavaira Hatya Hetona Sote Nedita, Saint Tukaram says, one would not get exonerated of enmity, debt, or killing unless and until he undergoes their recompense in this birth or any number of births hereafter. This is how a karta becomes a repository, karma sangraha of karma. It is said that Bhishma Pitamaha had to breathe his last on a bed of arrows because some 100 births earlier, as a porcupine, he had shot the spikes at a squirrel. The squirrel had cursed him to suffer a deathbed of arrows. How does karma itself become a repository, karma sangraha of karma? I think karma sangraha should be taken to mean karma phala sangraha. Every karma has some result, phalam. Anishtamishtam mishrancha trividham karmana phalam. Bhavatyatyaginaam pretya natu sannyasinaam kvachit. 18-12. The phalam may be anishtam, ishtam, mishrancha, favorable, unfavorable or mixed, say positive, negative, somewhat positive and somewhat negative. Karma sangraha as karma phala sangraha would be a continuous mathematical addition. Yastu karma phala tyagi satyagi tevijate. 18-11. One who is karma phala tyagi is tyagi. Does not mean that karma has no phalam. The sum total, as at the end of this life, carries forward to the next life. Sri Krishna Bhagavan assured, Nahi kalyan krit kaschit durgatim tata gacchati. No good deed is lost. Saint Sukaram says, one would not get exonerated of enmity, debt or killing. All in all, karma phala sangraha carries forward. I am told Christianity does not regard rebirth. In Islam, they speak of Qayamat, the day of judgment. But it is not known whether the judgment includes rebirth. The judgment has to be favorable or unfavorable. What does the soul get if the judgment is unfavorable? What punishment is the soul admonished if the judgment is unfavorable? The Muslims do speak of Jannat, heaven, and Jahannam, hell. The concepts of heaven and hell are common in all faiths. Arjuna says, Narake niyatam or Narake aniyatam vaso bhavati tyanushushama 1-44. Sri Krishna Bhagavan says, Tanaham dushyata kruran samsadarekshu naradhaman kshipam majasram ashubhan asurishveva yonish. Asurim yonimapanna mudha janmani janmani mam aprapyaiva kaunteya tato yantyadmam gati. Trividham narakasyedam narakam nashanam atmanaham kamak krodhas tatha lobhas tasmat etatrayantyajay. In Gita, there is clear mention of rebirth, rather reappearance. Ab Brahma Bhuvana Lokaha Punaravartino Arjuna. Everything in all worlds, including Brahma Bhuvanam, does experience reappearance. The reappearance may be in any of the 8.4 million species as dictated by Karma Phala Sangraha. There is a difference in the reappearance in a species also. Some dogs will be pets in a rich family. Some dogs will live a life in the slums. Concepts of piety and sin, papam cha punyam cha, are also common in all faiths. All this is my loud thinking to understand karma phala sangraha and its after effects. The concept of sin, hell, rebirth in baser species are concepts which are deterrents so that people will not indulge in ethically wrong behavior. The concepts of piety, heaven, rebirth towards further spiritual progress are concepts which are motivators towards righteous conduct. The concepts of rebirth in baser species, Shipam Meyasamashuman Asuri Shveva Yonishu, or of rebirth towards further spiritual progress, Shuchinam Srimatam Gehe Yoga Brashtovijayate, are very clear concepts, the like of which are not there in any other faith. This Gita Abhyasa is study for learning Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padachedaha, Vakyamsha Visheshanam, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Visheshanam. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayarthaha, syntactical meaning, and Swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study, wherein deeper meaning, figures of speech if any, other relevant quotes, including verses from other chapters, are taken note of by way of connecting the dots. This study is Swanta Sukhai, for self-contentment. Glad to share. The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamast.